So my last attempt to record the dog snoring. As soon as I would get up, he would wake up. As soon as I'd get up off this couch, he'd wake up, and I couldn't catch him snoring. So I attached this long mic here, and I'm gonna throw it next to him. He's right there. And we're going to listen to his terribly loud, annoying snores. Undoubtedly, I'm sure you guys heard that. Also, sometimes out of the blue, he'll just like do a really loud snore. Totally unexpected. Like twice as loud as he's snoring right now. Anyways, that can kind of like definitely, if I'm almost asleep or close to sleeping, it'll wake me up. So, if you guys know a way to get a dog to stop snoring so I can catch some sleep, please let me know. Comment down below what you guys do.